Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys the secrets on how to make these super soft donuts. And again guys, I'm sharing you techniques, and please follow me so that you will be updated for my next tutorial video. And I'm sorry guys, I forgot to turn on the camera. I added 2 teaspoons of sugar in 200 ml of plain water. Anyway guys, you can use warm milk instead of plain water, and add 2 teaspoons of yeast and set aside until it's frothy. I'm sorry. And again guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn on the camera. I added 1/2 cup of sugar in 3.5 cup of flour, and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of vanilla, two eggs, and yeast mixture. But again guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot to, that is the 2 tablespoons of oil. I should be added before the yeast mixture. Please don't follow this. Please add the oil before the yeast mixture, please. I forgot it, that's why. I'm so sorry. And please knead it properly. Continue kneading until it's become, that's the butter. If it is too sticky, you can add you can rub butter gradually until the mixture is just like a rubber. Look at that guys, look at the mixture. That is perfect. Look at that, look at that. That's perfect. Now set aside, cover it to rise, and that is my homemade filling, oranges and lemon, and of course I added sugar again. Now let's mold our donuts. Roll it and flatten it. Just roll up and flatten it. Rolling. Anyway guys, I'm so sorry for being forgetful. Look at the end of the chopstick guys. Have you seen bubble in it? Look at the bubbles. That's the perfect temperature. Don't cook your donut in high temperature. Don't. Okay? In medium heat is okay. If you want slightly brown, you can cook longer. Look at that. Look at how soft it is. And roll it over in icing sugar before the filling. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned from me today. And please don't follow my failure. I'm sorry for being forgetful today. I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching, and please follow me so that you will be updated for my next tutorial video.